So, Techtober has started and we're kicking things off with the Galaxy Watch 4. I'm sorry the video is late. It's hard to get hands on the Galaxy Watch 4 in Pakistan. Anyway, it's finally here, so let's get on with the video. Now the design of the Watch 4 Classic is similar to the Watch 3 and I have the 46mm model here. In the box it only comes with the charger and it supports Qi wireless charging, so you can charge it on any other wireless charger or battery bank even. Charging speed is decent, nothing to complain. In terms of software, the watch is running Google's Wear OS 3 with Samsung's own skin on it. Now this is way better than Samsung's previous software. Wear OS 3 runs very smoothly with Samsung's Exynos chip. It is also a very huge upgrade compared to Wear OS 2, and we're hoping that Wear OS 3 will come to other watches as well, like the TicWatch or the Fossil Watch series. As you can see, as soon as you start the watch, the first thing the watch asks you is to give you a walkthrough of the watch. For example, swiping down for the notification center, swiping up for the apps, swiping left for the notifications, all that basic stuff. And swiping right as well for all the other widgets you can have, for example, the heart rate monitoring or the blood oxygen sensor, as well as the new BMI sensor, which is not very accurate, but it is useful. You also get access to the features such as checking the weather, stress monitoring, and well, workout tracking. The classic version comes with the dial, and using it is very satisfying, and it is, in my opinion, the better version, but then again, it is fairly expensive compared to the normal watch. You have a fair amount of sports tracking features on the watch. You also have inbuilt GPS, so you don't have to take your watch along with you if you want to go, for example, on a light run or a cycle ride. And the sports tracking is also fairly accurate from what I have tested early on. There will be a detailed review of the watch on the channel later on, so make sure you subscribe for that. There's a lot of watch face customization options. There are tons of watch faces you can choose from, and you can also individually customize every watch face with different widgets to show you different stuff, and you can even change, for example, the background colors on some certain watch faces. You can even create your own watch face if you use the app. Now, like previous Samsung watches, it also supports 24-hour heart rate monitoring, the data which you can access from your watch or either from the Galaxy wearable app as well. The heart rate monitoring is also fairly accurate. In my opinion, so far, I really like this watch, and well, it's the best watch you can get if you don't want an Apple Watch or if you're not in the Apple ecosystem. Even if you don't own a Samsung phone, you can still get this watch, as most of the features are accessible, with some features having an alternative. That's all for today. I'll see you next time.